This is exactly what I needed to do my job. Super bright, exactly what I wanted. Works like it should, a simple sophisticated flashlight. Perfect for testing lines and tech purposes. Good product. Able to easily identify fibers as well as find faults at long distances, even in full sunlight. I bought this to trace and troubleshoot fiber optic cables on cellular towers. It works as advertised and perfect for the price. It is not high quality, but with this price and performance, you can't go wrong. I use these for fiber optic work. Only the company gives us 1 mLW VFLS. Over certain distances you can't see that. But this is a 30 mLW and I can see it for to 8K feet. Easy to use and good on batteries. Great product and the price is amazing compared to other similar VFLs. This visual fault locator is amazing. It's so easy to see even in the middle of the day when it was so difficult to see my old one. I used to have to hold an umbrella over my work area to be able to locate it, but not with this one. Does what I need. Just eats up battery life pretty quickly. Click link in description for more reviews.